Can you imagine a world without Wi-Fi? It's how we connect to the internet without wires. We use it for everything. We use Wi-Fi on our phones, laptops, and even smart TVs. It's amazing how easy it is to share pictures, play games, and talk to people far away. Wi-Fi makes it possible. Remember when we had to plug cables into our computers to use the internet? Those were the days. Now, with Wi-Fi, we have the freedom to move around our homes and offices. No more getting tangled in cords. Wi-Fi lets us stay connected from almost anywhere. Think about all the places you find Wi-Fi. It's at your house, at school, and at your favorite coffee shop. Wi-Fi is everywhere, making our lives easier and more connected. How does Wi-Fi work its magic? It uses something called radio waves. These waves are invisible, but they carry information through the air. Think of it like turning on a radio. Your radio picks up invisible waves that carry music and voices. Wi-Fi uses specific radio frequencies to send and receive data. The two most common frequencies are 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Gigahertz stands for how fast the waves vibrate. The higher the frequency, the more information can be carried. You can't see radio waves, but they're all around us. They travel from your Wi-Fi router to your devices, carrying the information you need to browse the internet, send emails, and watch funny cat videos. Remember those 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies? They're like two flavors of Wi-Fi, each with its own strengths. 2.4 GHz is like the reliable friend who lives far away. It travels further and can go through walls easier, but it might be a little slower because it carries less information. 5 GHz is like the fast friend who lives close by. It's super fast and perfect for downloading large files or streaming movies. However, it doesn't travel as far as 2.4 GHz and has a harder time going through walls. Your devices choose which frequency to use based on signal strength and what you're doing online. Sometimes your device might even switch between them automatically to get the best connection. Walls can weaken Wi-Fi. Radio waves are pretty tough, but even they have limits. When they hit a wall, they lose some of their strength. Thick walls made of concrete or brick can really weaken your Wi-Fi signal. That's why you might have a weak signal in the basement or a room far from your router. The further the waves have to travel, the weaker they get. Think about it like yelling to a friend across a field. The further apart you are, the harder it is to hear each other. It's the same with Wi-Fi signals. There are ways to boost your signal though. You can move your router to a central location or use a device called a Wi-Fi extender. These tricks can help your signal reach further and give you a stronger connection. Keep your Wi-Fi safe. Just like you lock your front door, you need to protect your Wi-Fi network. Security protocols like WPA2 and WPA3 act like digital locks, keeping your information safe from unwanted visitors. They scramble the data traveling between your devices and the router, making it unreadable to anyone trying to snoop. Imagine sending a postcard with your deepest secrets written on it for everyone to see. That's what it's like using an unsecured Wi-Fi network. Anyone nearby can see what you're doing online. Always choose a strong password for your Wi-Fi network and never share it with strangers. Think of it like the key to your digital home. Keep it safe and change it regularly to keep your information secure. Wi-Fi connects us all. Wi-Fi has become an essential part of our daily lives. It keeps us connected to our friends, family, and the world around us. From checking emails to streaming our favorite shows, Wi-Fi makes it all possible. It's like having a constant stream of information at our fingertips.
Thanks for watching our video today at the G-Man channel. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And I guess we will see you again soon for more.